Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to execute or how to run SQL queries in Salesforce. Basically, in Salesforce, they have a structured language and which is called the structured object query language. And basically, to execute this code or this language, you will need simply just to go to the developer console. And basically, you will find it here in this setup icon, and you click on it. And basically, we will find the developer console. And from here, all you will need to do is just to go to new resources or the file menu. From here, you will need just to open resources and you will need just, or you can use this shortcut by clicking on Control plus Shift plus O, and then you will have the resources. Basically, in my case, I have some problems with API and I have it disabled, but basically, you will have all the objects of your Salesforce that will be aligned or listed there, and you will need just to choose any source that you would like. Basically, it can be account, contact, sales, opportunities, whatever the object was. And basically, from there, after clicking on it, you click on open, and then you will find all the fields of these objects, or you can call it table, but in this case, it will be an object. And basically, it will have many fields, it will have many properties or fields here, and you can see their types also here. And after that, you will need just to select the ones that you want to uh, fetch or to select. And then you will need just to click on query. And basically, in the query editor, you will have your query that will be created. And after that, you will be able to execute this query, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.